Hi, Chris. It's Kay here from South Africa. I just wanted to thank you so much for introducing me to your Facebook affiliate influencer. My Facebook pages have been growing on a daily basis. I'm so excited. You've helped me achieve what I've been wanting to achieve by growing traffic to my own Facebook page and being able to promote other affiliate offers. I'm so excited that I came across your product and I just want to share it with everyone else. I highly recommend Chris's product, Facebook Affiliate Influencer. You will not be sorry that you have gone into business with Chris. Thanks so much, and I will chat to you again later. Bye.
Hey, what's up guys? Christopher Ramirez here coming at you with a review video on a product called FB Affiliate Influencer 1.0. Okay, I know what you're probably thinking. It's like, it's Chris, it's your product, or you're reviewing your own product. Yes, I'm reviewing my own product because there's a lot of buzz going throughout the Facebook groups that I admin, okay? That will have people going to look for a review. So I made, I went ahead and said to myself that I was going to go ahead and create a review of what you'll be getting. Okay, so here is pretty much what you're getting into. Okay, so when you invest in yourself with FB Affiliate Influencer, not only are you investing into coaching with me personally, because I connect with everyone that invests into themselves through me, okay, with me, all right, personally through this Facebook group, okay, this Affiliate Influencer Mastermind Alliance, okay. Um, I also have the training in here in the announcements, okay? So this is pretty much like the members area, should I say. Of course, there was a page prior to that, prior to the after you pick up FB Affiliate Influencer that directs you to this group, okay? And in the announcements is where the training is. So where it says start here, guys, you would click here. And currently there's 7 videos, okay? I will add more videos. Let me go ahead and stop that video. I will add more videos into the training. Hold on. I had to pause the video. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, it paused. It was kind of not wanting to pause for me. But right now, this is an evergreen course, and currently I have about 7 videos for you guys. Okay, 7 videos for you guys to consume and implement immediately. Okay, immediately. Don't sleep on it. Don't pick up FB Affiliate Influencer and sleep on the training. You need to consume the training, take notes, and implement it immediately. Okay, that said, and that, now that you know what's on the other side after you pick up FB Affiliate Influencer, I want to talk about the bonuses you get. There's 2 solid, very, very, very valuable bonuses I want to get in your hands on top of the training that you'll be getting with FB Affiliate Influencer, okay? So I'm sure you was already on this page that led you to watching this specific video, okay? And you scroll down to the part right here, watch the video. This video is actually, the video here is actually this video, okay? I just haven't switched it out yet for the sake of recording so that you know what you're getting, okay? The bonuses, the first bonus you'll be getting right here, okay, is YT Supremacy Academy. All right, and it's valued at $197. All right, and I want to go ahead and read to you what it entails. Okay, so basically, uh, it will show you how to be a YouTube ninja, straight up. Okay, my business partner, he was also kind of iffy about it. Okay, but with enough convincing, he allowed me to give this course to you that's valued at 197 as a bonus for you for if you decide to pick up FB Affiliate Influencer 1.0, okay? And pretty much, like it says right here, it says want to be a YouTube ninja, then this bonus is for you, okay? So pretty much in YT Supremacy Academy, me and my business partner are going to show you exactly what it takes to win on YouTube with affiliate promotions or with selling your own products and services. Methods like how to tap into buyer intent keywords proven to convert like hotcakes. We show you step by step what YouTube's search engine looks for when ranking such keywords for profits. That's bonus number 1 you get when you pick up FB Affiliate Influencer 1.0. Okay. Bonus number 2 is traffic domination. Okay. And with traffic domination, it's a comprehensive done for you system that my mentors were at first very hesitant about, guys. They were also hesitant about me giving this as a bonus to you for the people that pick up FB Affiliate Influencer 1.0. Okay, so after going back and forth with them, I finally convinced them to let me further empower you. Okay, with this addition, this bonus to also get that you also get when you pick up FB Affiliate Influencer 1.0. For the crazy low price that FB Affiliate Influencer 1.0 is, guys, you're getting a total value, all right? You're pretty much getting a total value of what is that? 197 plus 147. Let's bring up the calculator because calculator. Okay. Let's see. You're 197 plus what was that? 147. You're getting a total value of $344 of bonuses when you pick up FB Affiliate Influencer for that one-time low, stupid low price, guys. So you're getting a ton of value for a very, very low price when you pick up FB Affiliate Influencer, okay? And to do that, you just go to the bottom of this page that you're on watching this video, and you click right here, which says click here to get started. Now, when you click on this, all right, let it load up. When you click on this, there is a video, okay, that goes into better detail of what exactly the strategy entails, to give you a better visual of what's going on when you plant the seeds in these multiple groups to get them to grow in turn and on autopilot, okay? It's not the same as traditional you posting groups and then people comment and then you got to ground ball everybody through Messenger and all. No. This is super hybrid method, and I'm giving it to you with all these extra bonuses, these very, very, very valuable bonuses. Okay, guys. So go ahead. Oh, I don't know what's going on here. Let me click that out. Whoops. Okay. All right. So definitely go ahead, pick up FB Affiliate Influencer. Okay. $7, guys. And this I should be selling it for $127, but $7 for $7 you get, what was that, 300, what was the calculator? I must have X'd it out. Well, anyhow, it was like I think it was 344 plus 127. I think it's like $466 of value. Okay, you're getting for $7, guys. $7. All right. I mean, I don't know how much more generous I can be to help you guys out to get you to the next level. Okay, I gave you everything you need for $7, guys. It is a no-brainer. So go ahead, take action, pick up FB Affiliate Influencer 1.0, and I'll see you in the Facebook group and in the main members area of the bonuses. Peace.